Hey, welcome back to another exciting video. So today I will talk about how to manage the brightness in your display in Windows 10. So first of all, you need to go to Windows Start button, click here and go to Settings. Once you're on the setting page and click under System, Display, Sound, Notification, Power, click on here and click on Display. And as you can see, the brightness and color right now I have on 50% in the middle. So on the right side, when you scroll to the right side, the brightness goes high, and when it goes down it's low. And I usually keep it in the around 50s or 60s. So it's also have the night vision. You can turn it off if you want, and close the window. And there is one more way you can increase the brightness, which is click on FN and at the same time click on delete button on Windows 10 on the right corner. So when you hit delete button, the brightness goes up, and when you click FN and backspace, it goes down. So this is a shortcut you can use to lower and higher the brightness. So if you enjoy the video, please give thumbs up and see you in the next video. Take care, guys.